Hello. I wanted to let everybody in the world know that who has the world's best chicken salad? Store bought chicken salad. In my opinion, it's a shocker, but my all time favorite goes to Walmart. Walmart has the best chicken salad, but you've got to get the fruit and nut chicken salad. It is so gourmet, fresh tasting. It's got it's got um, it's got cranberries in it. It's got little pieces of mango. It's got raisins. It's got walnuts in there. It's got walnuts right there. It's got celery, big chunks of celery. Look at this piece of fruit. That's a piece of fruit in the chicken salad. It's got nice big chunks of chicken. It's something, if you've never had it, you've got to have it sometime. So when you go through Walmart doing your convenience shopping, pick up a little bit of chicken salad. This chicken salad, let's see, I have the lid for, let's see what it costs. $3.14 for a half a pound. The total is $5.98 a pound. I hope you enjoy it.